Hello dear students, welcome back. So, you all are excited for the new topic? Yes. So, today you can see I have two toys on the table. Now, can you tell me which toy is near to me? Near means मेरे पास में, मेरे बाजू में, मेरे से ज़्यादा नज़दीक कौन सा चीज़ है, कौन सा व्हीकल है? Yes, it is scooter. So near means जो चीज़ या जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास होता है that is called nearer. And farther मतलब हमसे दूर होना. मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ और मेरे से दूर कौन सा टॉय है? The car, which is farther from me. जो मेरे से क्या है? दूर है, वो मेरे से नज़दीक नहीं है. Right? So today's our topic is nearer and farther. Right? So here on the board you can see color the bird near to the temple. Now you have to color the bird which is near to the temple. Now how many birds are there? 2. Yes. So which bird we will color? The first one or the second one? Yes, we will color the first one which is very near to the temple. Right? Now here color the cat farther from the tree. यानी we have two cats. जो cat tree से दूर है, the cat which is far from the tree, you will color it. Okay, so we will color this cat which is far from the tree. Okay, yes. Now you can see here students, first nearer and farther. We compared the things with the two objects, right? How many objects? Two objects. Now nearest and farthest. Nearest मतलब सबसे नज़दीक, farthest मतलब सबसे दूर. So we are comparing these things with the three objects. How many objects? 3. Yes, you can see here on the table scooter, car and aeroplane. Yes. So now can you tell me who is near to me, very nearest to me? Yes, scooter. And who is farthest from me? मेरे से सबसे ज़्यादा दूर कौन सा है टॉय? Aeroplane. Right? So what we learn? Nearest and farthest. So here take the tree nearest to the balloon. यहाँ पे you can see 3 trees are there, but you have to put a tick on the tree which is near to the balloon. जो ट्री बलून के पास है उसको आपको क्या करना है? टिक करना है. So this is the tree which is near to the balloon. Right? Now farthest. Right? So take the apple farthest from the tree. जो एप्पल ट्री से दूर है उसको आपको क्या करना है? टिक करना है. So we will put a tick here. Got it? Oh, you all are surprised, right? What I am doing? Okay, I am trying to explain you on under. Right? On means to keep something on the table, in the flower or on the top. Anywhere. On means the things which is lying on some particular things. Under, the things which is lying under. Under means नीचे. टेबल के नीचे दैट इज कॉल्ड अंडर, ऑन द टेबल, सो टेबल के ऊपर, ऑन मतलब ऊपर और अंडर मतलब नीचे, यस। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ऑन अंडर, राइट। कलर द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द टेबल and tick the object under the table. So what we will do? We will color this cup right. So it is on the table and we will put a right tick which is under the table. Under, on, under, right? So above and below. You mean to say above? Above मतलब ऊपर, a little bit higher. We cannot touch easily. It is called above. जो चीज हम easily जाकर उसको छू नहीं सकते. चलो, tell me. What is the thing which is above you at your home? Yes, it's a ceiling. It is above your head. आपके सिर के ऊपर क्या है? सीलिंग है. आप उसको इजीली छू सकते हो? नहीं. Right? So below means नीचे. सीलिंग के नीचे क्या है? आप बैठे हो और आपके सिर के ऊपर क्या है? सीलिंग. That is called above and below, right? So tick the object above the cats. अब cats के ऊपर क्या है? कितने birds हैं? 3 birds, yes. So what we will put? We will put a right tick here and color the object below the birds. बर्ड्स के नीचे जो भी चीज आपको दिखाई दे रही है उसको आपको क्या करना है? कलर. तो बर्ड्स के नीचे क्या है? कैट्स, यस. सो वी विल पुट अ कलर हियर, राइट. Okay, students? Yes. Now we are going for the shapes. Oh, you learned the shapes in your KG nursery? Yes. Square, right? 4 sides and 4 corner, right? That is called square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 corner. Yes. Circle. Circle means round, right? It is called circle. Triangle. 2 sides same. How many sides? Yes. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 sides are there. It is called triangle. And the last one is rectangle which have 2 sides same. Rectangle में कैसा होता है? 2 sides same होता है. ऊपर और नीचे वाला same और दोनों side वाले same, right? So here I will write down some name of the objects. In front of that you all will write down the shapes of the thing, right? Okay. WHEEL, wheel. You saw the wheel? Yes, it's in your cycle, it's in the Activa, right? So wheel, what is the shape of it? Round. So what you will write? Circle. 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 Right? Good. Now pillow on which you are going to sleep every night. You sleep every night, right? PILLOW. 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 What is the shape of it? Rectangle. Yes. Rectangle. Rectangle. Right. Now the third one. Temple. Temple. Flag. You saw? आपने देखा है? आप कभी मंदिर में जाते हो? मंदिर के ऊपर एक फ्लैग लगा रहता है. कौन से शेप का होता है? Which shape? Triangle. Yes. Triangle. Triangle. Now, do you have your toy box at home in which you keep all the toys inside? You have that box? Okay, can you tell me which is the shape of it? Yeah, tell. Yes, it's a square one, right? So, box SQUARE, square. Now, the shape of our national flag. Yes, it is rectangle. Right? So, in this chapter, what we learned? We learned the comparison about inside, outside, right? Bigger, smaller, then nearest, farthest, nearer, farther, on, under, below, above, right? And this is shapes. Now, with this you will get the, yes, let's recall the shapes again. Can you see this? Wow. Hello. Which shape is this? This is called rectangle. Yes, and this is triangle. This one is circle, and this is square. So, you all remember it? Good. And do your homework in your classwork book. Write down all the shapes. Right? Thank you.